Angela, these look pretty good. What you're really doing very effectively is making the value of the hue look different, which is really good. The ultimate goal of this assignment, and many of the color assignments in this class, are to tweak hue, saturation, and value. Okay, so the way you're creating the value transitions is by having the two backgrounds be very different in value, i.e. a dark versus a light. That's working beautifully for you. Now the thing I want you to focus on is tweaking the hue a little more. So for example, if you wanted this to look even bluer, you have done a good job of making these two look very different here, by the way, in terms of saturation and hue, but I'm just going to give you some tips anyway. If you wanted this to look bluer, you would bring out the complement of blue in the background, which is of course orange. So you would make this a warmer green, taking it more towards the yellow side. Okay. This one is probably not as effective in terms of hue and saturation as this one, although it is good in terms of value. So what I would do is, if I wanted this to look a little yellower, see how this is looking a little redder, I would just put, actually I would try, sorry I got confused. I would try like a yellower background here, and that's going to make this look cooler. Okay, and then I would even make this a redder purple. See what that would do. Okay, here here I would make this yellow a little bit more saturated and bright, and that's going to make this look even purpler. And then I would make this background even redder. Okay, and that would bring out the cooler, the warmer colors in this color. Okay. On this one, let's see. I would. These two are looking pretty similar. So if I wanted this yellow to look cooler, make this real purple. If I wanted this yellow to look warmer, I would. I'm sorry, if I wanted this yellow to look warmer, I'd put purple back here, and if I wanted this yellow to look cooler, I would put it on a warm yellow. You could use a yellowish background, maybe something like that. So I hope that makes sense. I'll be discussing this concept further.